Hey guys, this is Goku, and today we're gonna be trying out something new, a new application, GTO Wizard.com, and one of you actually suggested it in the comments. It looks really interesting, so let's jump right into it. Let's see how it works. We've only just selected our Google account and it took us to this page, so let's continue. We're gonna select entities. What would you like to do? I think I would like to play versus GTO and select hero and opponent seats. Decide where the hand starts, play from pre-flop, flop, or choose a custom node. Okay, here's where we can check. Okay, next, define the pre-flop actions. You can select multiple spots, any. Okay, cool. Refine your session with advanced settings. Click start training when you're ready to play. Okay, so here we can just specify some more things. Select format, solution, stack depth, position, preflop action, and more. Choose a specific border texture. Select the hands you want to play, modes, change your in-game settings, display, decide what information you want to be shown while playing. Okay, change your in-game settings. Measure your performance. Displays range in hand information and overall frequencies updated as you play. Explore and replay previous hands. Navigation. And here's our moves. If you need more help, click here. Nice. So, yeah, we've gone through a quick tutorial. I think we know most of what how it works. Or at least we think we do. But this application looks really interesting. I like it a lot. Let's see how we can come back to this to these settings. Oh, there they are. Okay, so what we want, starting spot, well, let's start with pre-flop. Okay, but let's pick a different solution. Let's pick MTT, maybe with limps. Cheap EV, players 8. Maybe let's pick any situation, and then just any, and start training. Yeah, let's preferences 17, board, hands, modes, display. Yeah, we don't want to change any of that. We just want to test MTT spots starting from pre-flop. So let's see how this works. Okay, so we're on the bottom, queen 9 off, hijack opens. We only have two actions, call or fold. And what does this mean? 3.53. What are our stacks? Or does it mean that we have 4 big blinds? I think so. Okay, so we fold. Okay, best move. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, okay, so weird spot, 4 BBs, and the whole table is 4 BBs. It's the satellite, maybe. Okay, let's move on to the next one. A7 under the gun on 12 BBs. And everyone else is also 12 BBs. This is kind of weird. But maybe it makes sense because yeah, effective stack is what matters after all. So do we shove a7 off under the gun? I think we do, don't we? We don't. So we should just fold it 100% of the time. Okay. And we can go play from here. What would it mean? I guess nothing, because okay. So we can we can play the hand again. All right, let's move on. Now, okay. So the hijack opened, we raised, blinds folded, hijack re-raises, and do we shove it with kings or do we just call? I think mainly we just call and let him shoot his bluffs and everything. But sometimes we also go all in, so I'm just gonna call. And then on a flop king 9-7, he continues for just 10% pot. Now what do we do here? A lot more options. I think we gotta raise it half pot. We get called. Now a 10 of spades falls on the turn. Pretty bad card for us. Hijack checks. We're gonna continue betting a third. Now 3 of diamonds on the river. We're just gonna go for the rest of it. And GTO Wizard score is minus 25%. And we can see on the flop, we were supposed to just call this 10% pot bet. The solver does no raising here at all, just 100% call, which is pretty weird. And then those actions on the turn and river haven't been really calculated because the solver just plays 100% call here. Okay, makes sense. Now 9-7 suited on the big blind with the cutoff limping. I think we check and play the pot. We hit a very nice open-ender, and I think we sometimes bet this. Now there's a king on the turn, and I think we could continue betting here. Or yeah, I think I would continue betting here and bet how much. I'll bet half pot. There is no solution for this spot. Did we make a blunder again? What does it mean if we play a repeat hand? We check it. Maybe we play check now. We play check call. We check again. We fold. And turn. We should be calling or shoving. With our hand. Okay. And if we go play from here, and if we call it, then I assume we gotta shove, right? No matter the river. Well, especially if the flush completes. But what if the river is just another king? Or another 10? Do we still shove here? I wonder. Okay, so the solver actually gives up here on the river. So weird. How does it make sense to call 50% of the time on this river, 50% shove? I mean, shoving I can understand. But then when you call, how does it make sense to give up on a 3 of spades? Interesting. And if we were to go back, right? I already went to another hand. Sorry about that. Can I go back here? Replay hand. If I go repeat, continue. If I go check here and lead out, and then yeah, there's no spot for betting 3.2. Maybe donk betting. There's no solution for donk betting. Well, in general, it seems like there's no solution for leading out here with our hand, so we should perhaps never lead out here. And what about min raising here? And the villain shoves. We fold, right? Or not? On the flop, we should just be doing 100% of calling. And if we do call on the flop, well, we know that now it should be check and call or all in. Yeah. And if we actually go on the turn, yeah, it's 100% check. And a third pot bet is a similar EV, but the solver doesn't play. All right, well, we haven't really played a lot of this. We're still getting the hang of it, so to speak. So we played 2-hand session and 6-hand session. So 8 hands in total, one of which which were actually this hand 4 times, this hand 2 times. Not a lot of play in this first video, but I have to say I really like this tool, and I think it will take me a while to understand it. Yeah, for my first 10 hands my GTO score is very bad, but I'm assuming it takes a while to get a hang of how it all works, and now I'm just more curious than actually willing to learn or practice. But I enjoyed playing with this tool, and I will certainly enjoy playing with it in the next video, so please stay tuned for that, and I will see you then. Bye.